Launching Nintic Meditation. Part 3. Sufferings of Samsara. Meditation 35. Other aspects of human sufferings. Please read Kempo's instruction first. Refuge Prayer. Residing in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama, Idan deities, and Dakinis. Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, sentient beings of the six realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration Prayer. The infinity of sentient beings and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Meditate that besides the sufferings of birth, aging, sickness, and death, humans are also subject to the four-branch sufferings. Suffering of encountering what one does not want. Even though you don't want it, you have to associate with the people you dislike. Face it when the things that you worry about unavoidably happen. Suffer from pains and bad luck that you originally tried to avoid. When it happens, your mind is deeply disturbed and distressed. Suffering of separating from loved ones. You are separated from loved ones due to death or distance. Recalling their look and voice, as well as the good times together. You are tormented by sadness and longing. Suffering of not getting what one wants. The wonderful things in life, fame, status, and wealth, etc., are always elusive. For instance, someone dreams of looking gorgeous, but things go contrary to his or her wishes. Others crave money, but promising opportunities always pass them by. Many desire to be smarter, but they become less intelligent instead. Causing them to beat their own heads in anguish. These are the so-called sufferings of not getting what one wants. sufferings of the flourishing of five aggregates. The direct makeup of all being, the five aggregates of form, feeling, perception, formations, and consciousness are in fact the source, the basis, and the housing of all sufferings. Their nature is nothing but suffering. For example, when you are pricked by a sharp thorn, your body, the form aggregate, as the object to being wounded, is the basis of suffering. Then your feeling aggregate senses the torch of being pricked. And the perception aggregate further apprehends the unpleasant feeling of being pricked. If the torch of feeling continues, through the formation aggregate, you habitually experience the mental state of being hurt again and again. And it is the consciousness aggregate that understands that the thorn is painful and causes you to suffer. As long as your existence comprises these five psychophysical aggregates, you're bound to experience all kinds of sufferings in its entirety within your own aggregates. Therefore, resolve to find deliverance from these sufferings. I must obtain the untainted wisdom of sublime beings. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy mental defilement be overcome. May beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.